Are your localized engine orchestration apps crashing due to the Backend Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Backend Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Backend Library, a generic software backend engine. This module manages the primary unmanaged business logic and data link orchestration for modular applications. It acts as the intermediary between the front-end UI and the database manifests. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Errors related to Backend Library DLL often mean the internal localized engine orchestration configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Backend Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Please use caution. Replacing Backend Library DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Backend Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Backend Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.